Welcome to another edition of 60 Seconds with Femi, Korrect, pidgin, yannings. Now they do. Waiting at the look this morning. Now Manchester United. I remember a certain time this season, Man United fans they holla say, "Oh, say Mourinho out, Mourinho out." Say Mourinho they bring bad luck come their team. Say Mourinho no sabi play attacking football, only defensive football. Say as in team just they lose, say as in team just they misbehave. All of a sudden, all these people I know they see them again. Manchester United fans when they shout say make Mourinho commot, make Mourinho out. Where una dey? Abi things don change. That time sef dem come dey talk say the players no dey play for the coach again. Wetin that one mean? Wetin dey mean when they say players no dey play for coach? Abi Mourinho don carry garden egg, kola nut, groundnut and snap go meet them, dey beg them, say abeg no na dey play for me. Now the Man United players now dey play for am. Because I watch that game against Everton. At the time Man United come dey pass ball like say na dem carry the ball from house come. So wetin happen for Man United? Wetin bring this turn around for Man United good?